Before you reset your Android phone, there are a few very important things you must check. If you skip these steps, you may lose data or get locked out of accounts, face many issues after you reset your phone. First and most important step is backup your data. Make sure you backup contacts, photos and videos, WhatsApp and other social media chat applications, and important files and documents. You can use Google Drive, cloud storage or any computer or any other phone to backup your data. Backup here only what you need, don't backup unnecessary files. After reset, you must sign in again to all your accounts. So make sure you remember your Google account, email and password. Access to two-factor authentication code, SMS number authenticator app, and Google account link mobile number. Also remember app login details for WhatsApp accounts, any Facebook accounts login details, username, mail, password and two-factor codes, Instagram and email applications or any other social media applications. If two-factor is enabled, make sure you can receive the verification code. Many people forget browser data. Before reset, you check your browser bookmark details, save account details and auto login data details. Synchronize your browser with your Google account so you don't lose these data. After reset, banking apps usually need reactivation. You may need OTP verifications, the same SIM card in the same phone. Sometimes you need branch reactivations depend on your bank, so always plan this step carefully. Before you resettings, keep at least 60% of your phone battery. Don't reset while charging or unstable power. If the phone turns off during reset process, it can cause serious issue of software problems. And also care about hidden files, safe lock files and hidden applications and any secured or private data in hidden or safe locker. Best time to reset your phone is when you are free and not in a hurry, and when you have a good internet connection, because you need enough data to download system updates, applications update and all app you need to download after resetting process. So these are the most important things you should consider before resetting your Android phone. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thank you for watching.